आप सभी को जोहार। आप सभी का श्री क्लासेस में स्वागत है। आज हम लोग करने जाने वाले हैं क्लास 11th इंग्लिश स्कोर सेट नंबर 4 40 VBI MCQs। बिना देरी के आगे बढ़ते हैं। Read the passage given below and answer the question from 1 to 5. The concept of renewable energy has gained significant attention in the recent year. As a way to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change, solar, wind, hydroelectrics, geothermals, and biomass are examples of renewable energy sources. These sources are considered renewable because they can be replaced naturally using fossil fuels, which takes millions of years to form and are finite. One of the main advantages of the renewable energy is that it is environmental friendly. Renewable energy sources do not produce greenhouse gases, which contributed to positive climate change. They also do not produce harmful air pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Another advantage of the renewable energy is that it can provide a reliable and stable source of energy. For example, hydroelectric plants can operate for long period of times without interaction, and solar panels can generate electricity even one cloud day. As renewable energy sources are becoming more affordable as a technology improves and economics of scale are achieved. Question number 1. Solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal and biomass are example of dash source of energy. A. Renewable energy. B. Fossil fuels. C. Non-renewable energy. D. None of this. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Renewable energy. Question number 2. What takes millions of years to form and are finite? A. Renewable energy source. B. Fossil fuels. C. Non-renewable energy source. D. None of this. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. Fossil fuels. Question number 3. Which of the following are harmful air pollutants? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen oxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. Sulfur dioxide. Question number 4. What is one of the greatest advantage of renewable energy source? A. That is led to a climate change. B. It's led to a depletion of various resources. C. It is environment friendly. D. None of this. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. It is environmental friendly. Question number 5. Which of the following means the same as a generate for the passage? A. Recreate. B. Produce. C. Restore. D. Capture. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. Produce. Question number 6. Abbreviations are freely used in dash. A. Notice writing. B. Letter writing. C. Notes making. D. Article writing. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Notes making. Question number 7. The summary of a passage contain A. Main ideas. B. Glossary. C. Word meaning. D. Format. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Main ideas. Question number 8. How would you address the recipient of an formal letter? A. Reverend Sir, Madam. B. My dear. C. Dear Sir, Madam. D. Hello Sir, Madam. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Dear Sir, Madam. Question number 9. Letter to the editors are written for A. Newspaper. B. School. C. College. D. Club. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Newspaper. Question number 10. What should not be included in report writing? A. Personal comment. B. Data collection. C. Information by witness. D. None of this. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Personal comments. Question number 11. In report writing, narration of the events is always done in A. Present form. B. Simplest future form. C. Immediate past form. D. Present continuous form. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Immediate past form. Question number 12. What should the first paragraph of an article be all about? A. Briefly introduction of the topics. B. Conclusion. C. Consequence. D. Statistics. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Briefly introduction of the topic. Question number 13. What are the written in conclusion in the article writing? A. Suggestion. B. remindals measures, C order, D A both A and B. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B D both A and B. Question number 14. Choose the grammatical correct sentences from the given jumble sentence. Iceland is the Sri Lanka in an Indian Ocean. A. An Iceland is an Sri Lanka the Indian Ocean. B. Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean. C. In the Indian Ocean is Sri Lanka is an island. D. Sri Lanka is the island in an Indian Ocean. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean. Question number 15. Choose the grammatical correct sentences from the given jumble sentences. World is greatest in world the dramatic the Shakespeare. A. Shakespeare is the great dramatist in the world. B. Dramatist greatest the is Shakespeare in the world. C. In the world is the greatest the dramatist in the Shakespeare. D. The Shakespeare is the great dramatist in the world. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Shakespeare is the greatest dramatist in the world. Question number 16. Bread and butters dash our daily breakfast. A. Are, B. Where, C. Is, D. Has. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Is. Question number 17. I fell when I dashed the road. A. Cross, B. Crossed, C. Is crossing, D. Was crossing. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. Was crossing. Question number 18. You dash live now if you wish. A. May, B. Might, C. Shall, B. Will. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. May. You may live now if you wish. Question number 19. Dash you swim. A. Can, B. May, C. Might, D. Shall. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Can. Can you swim? Question number 20. The big girl in the poem the photographer refers to. A. The poet, B. Poet's mother, C. The eldest cousin of the poet, D. The youngest of the girl. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. Poet's mother. Question number 21. Which month of the year has been mentioned on the poem The Laburnum Top? A. October, B. August, C. September, D. November. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. September. Question number 22. In the poem The Voice of the Rain, which of the following is personified? A. The earth, B. Sky, C. Music, D. Rain. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. The rain. Question number 23. One can find one lost childhood in. A. An album, B. A remote place, C. The face of a child, D. Heaven. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. The face of the child. Question number 24. According to the poem Father to Son, who speaks like a stranger? A. Father and son, B. Husband and wife, C. Sister and brother, D. Father and daughter. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Father and son. Question number 25. Why did the author grandmother's accompany to his school? A. Because it was attached to temple. B. Because she was worried about the author. C. Because there was many dogs on the way. D. Because she had no work to do. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Because it was attached to the temple. Question number 26. The grandmother of Khushwant Singh believed that the education should be A. Idea based, B. Agriculture based, C. Religion based, D. Computer based. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Religion based. Question number 27. How many years did the Gordon Cooks and his wife spend in the honing their sea farming skills? A. 10 years, B. 12 years, C. 16 years, D. 20 years. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. 16 years. Question number 28. Who joined Gordon Cook in Cape Town to tackle the South Indian Ocean? A. Larry Wiggles, B. Herb Sackler, C. Captain James Cook, D. Both A and B. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. Both A and B. Question number 29. The tomb of the King Tut was discovered by A. Jai Hawass, B. हॉवर्ड कार्टर, सी जॉन मार्शल, डी रॉबर्ट हैमिल्टन। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा बी हॉवर्ड कार्टर। Question number 30. The place where Egyptian kings were buried in known as A. Graveyard of King, B. Cemetery of Paharos, C. Valley of Paharos, D. Valley of Kings। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डी वैली ऑफ किंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. गंधार पंत गैटोंडे was the professor of A. English, B. Political Science, C. History, D. Economy। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. History। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. Where did the author go to complete the Quora? A. China, B. Ravu, C. Mountain Kailash, D. Lakes मानसरोवर। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. माउंट कैलाश। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. What did Lammo gives the authors as farewells present? A. Sheep skin coats, B. goat skin coat, C. cow skin coat, D. tiger skin coat। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. sheep skin coat। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. How many times did the author visit Mr. Darling house? A. once, B. twice, C. thrice, D. never। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. twice। Question number 35. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse is a short story of two dash boys. A. Assyrian, B. Armenian, C. African, D. American। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. Armenian। Question number 36. Who was the true owner of the beautiful white horse? A. Murad, B. Aram, C. Uncle Khusro, D. John Byron। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा D. John Byron। Question number 37. Who has been telling the fortune of Mr. Persian? A. Mr. Fitzgerald, B. George Persian, C. Doris Persian, D. Cyril Persian। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा A. Mr. Fitzgerald। Question number 38. Andrew Monsoon was dash by profession. A. Teacher, B. Lawyer, C. Doctor, D. Mason। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा C. Doctor। Question number 29. The king lost his crown under the ark because A. The ark was built too, B. The ark was built too low, C. The ark was built too high, D. None of these। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. The ark was built too low। Question number 40. According to the poem The Tale of Melon City, who was finally hanged? A. The fool, B. The king, C. The architect, D. The minister। इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा B. The